That's not Gold Ship. Oh my goodness. It's all over. Agema-san has been removed. It's true. It's true. It's true. And we got some new content for you. Rah rah, sis boom ba. Everybody get ready for the new cheerleader. You really did go rah rah. Is it off sync? A little slow. King Halo's looking serious. Like, it's not off sync, but the voicing was definitely off sync. My thing's not off sync, because the music's on point. And we got some new supports as well. Bamboo Memory. Seeking the Pearl in a chef outfit? I don't know. Maybe we'll understand more about that. But wait, there's more. It's Golshi week. Whoa! She's real. 564 is a crazy number. She looks like she's about ready to take over the world. Look at that. Wow, that's crazy. This time we're going to actually do the Golshi week thing. I didn't do it last time because I was still new. And I was scared. I was scared to do Golshi week. And we get... What?! What is this? I thought it was Bakushin playing, and it's this. She's doing multiple voices. It's sound a little sus in some situations. I don't know why. Golshi? I can't do that. I'm floored right now. Free summon. Golshi come with some free summon. Oh, free 10 count? No, that's not a free 10 count. You got me, Golshi. I got excited for a minute. I was about to spend my gems. What's the freebie? One free. Oh my goodness. Why would you do that to me, Golshi? Well, let's start with a summon. I'm sure it's going to be great. I can't wait to get my SSR unit. It's gold. It's Golshi! Get it? It's not Golshi, but it's Golshi. See? It's gold. Anyway, we got a story event to watch. So we're going to do that. And it's Golshi week. So that means that... And Golshi's gone. Okay. That means that there should be a new mode, right? Oh, Golshi mode. There's a stronger Golshi mode. Golshi mode. Very slightly increase the difficulty of opponents. Obtain bonus monies for progressing in career. We'll be doing that. I mean, I'll be doing that. You won't be doing that. You'll be doing that if you're playing the game on your own. But I'll be doing that this time around. I didn't do it last time. There's no star pieces to get. And there's a special mode as well. I will be doing Golshi mode, though. I know I already lost the cup, but we're going to do her. I'm not going to actually start this one. I'm just going to get it ready. A bonus. What is that bonus? One can only wonder. The Golshi bonus. It's not the Golshi bonus. But we are doing Golshi mode, so that means Ogre Cap is going to get absolutely destroyed. It's a shame. I don't think Golshi mode gives you more stats. Imagine if it did, though. But this isn't about Ogre Cap. We're talking about a different white-haired stallion. Wait, why is this new? What? I never read this online, so... I'm Ogre Cap. Nice to meet you. I've got a lot of folks cheering me on back home, and I want to make them proud. To do that, I have to eat more and try really hard. All this talking is making me hungry. And so, Ogre Cap and I take our first steps towards competing in the Twinkle series. Okay. Okay, definitely skipping all that. But we're not here for that. I mean, I'll be here for that tomorrow, but that's my thing, not your thing. Some new information has arrived. You're right, Golshi's here. So we're going to read this, and then we're going to call it a video. Let those cheers roar. As you saw last episode, I brought this up. Event closes in 11 days. Well, we better get starting to it. And story. squad! Osu! We, the Trace and Cheer squad, have formed for the upcoming Spring Fan Fest. She is yelling. Let's make that a sticker. Look at Nature's hair. Osu! Our swan duty to cheer on the Umamusume who will run in the competition and boost everyone's morale. Can't yell because like she is because my mic. Osu! And to that end, she's got something written on her thingy. Oh my goodness! Let's make that a sticker. What is this? Let's sing in the pearl. We will be sporting a new high-performance costume. It's golden. It supports abdominal breathing. It even has a built-in microphone. What? Oh, great surprise, isn't it? I'm glad I kept it a secret until the big reveal. I wish you hadn't. Then at least I could have stopped you. And please, what have you got Pearl doing? Much like fireworks or a disco ball, things that sparkle lift people's spirits. Besides, isn't it golden? It's like this costume was made for Pearl. Go for it! I have no idea what's going on anymore. I know Trayson, as I said, Trayson had some money, but this had to like be a pretty penny. Why you? King Halo? Was it you who messed with the school speaker settings? A complaint came in the disciplinary committee. The speakers suddenly stopped working and some weird singing. Wait! What's going on here? Let's make that a sticker. I didn't think the disciplinary committee would sniff us out this fast. Cheer squad, time out, retreat! What have I got myself into? She's running. Into. This is way too chaotic. So basically, she's back. Chase and Cheer Squad is a temporary team formed in the lead up to the Spring Fan Fest. She's talking to us now? Or? Fan Fests are held twice a year, one in spring and one in fall. The Spring Fan Fest is a sports day, while the Fall Fan Fest is a cultural day. Look at that food! Oh my god! Let's make that a sticker! That's insane! Oh, my food! In the Spring Fan Fest, students from all over the academy gather to take part in contests, an event to entertain their fans. Every year, a cheer squad is formed to liven up the event, and this time it's King Halos who's in charge. Joining her are Pearl and I, along with the rest of the squad. Right, Pearl? That's right. Nice one, Nature. You summed everything up perfectly. And can you do me a favor and try not to make things crazier than they already are? You know, King will go overboard if you give her the chance. Something tells me she didn't take that advice. Oh? But why? I don't think her ideas are bad at all. Her way of thinking is... Ugh. Where's all this rowdy music coming from? I hope this isn't what I think it is. You think? On the drums. Whistles. going on here? Who's responsible for this racket? Look at that little pom-pom. I forget I always have to tap. Later this week, we'll be performing a special practice session for the visitors from outside the academy. So I get why she's pulling out all the stops. But still, the weird costume, the loud music. She even made giant party crackers. Why is she making everything so flashy? Even if I asked her what she was thinking, I don't think she'd give me a straight answer. Oh my gosh! I hear you'd like some answers. What? Pearl? You almost gave me a heart attack. Sorry, I heard the voice of a lost child and my body moved before I could even think about it. You're interesting. Anyway, about King, it all started 1 month ago, as far as I know. It was the day that sign-up started for the FanFest competitions. That's when King... Flashback. That flashback will have to be seen next time. For now, it's Pearl! A fun-filled day for both Umamusume and fans. The Spring Fan Fest involves friendly competition between students on a variety of events. In charge of livening up the festival is the cheer squad, led this year by none other than King Halo. She quickly makes Nice Nature and the other squad members dizzy with outlandish idea after idea. But there's a sincere wish behind all her silliness. The Spring Fan Fest, the skies above Tracen, will echo with the voice of many cheering as one. You know the deal. Here's the drill. Oh, is that our... Oh, we get a Hishi Amazon card. I was hoping we get that golden version of Pearl, but I mean, that's cool too, I guess. Who's running? Oh, it's her. She must be in the story then. This music is banging. This music too is banging. And that's the video. It's what I would say, but in honor of Cheer Squad joining the team, Naughty Nature, we are doing a summon. I've decided to do Rah Rah Sis Boom Ba. Cheer to victory! Alright, so far, nothing. I mean, it can't hurt to do 1 or 2 summons, right? Long shot, probably not a rainbow. Two golds, huh? Let's stay golds way down the line. I shouldn't go crazy on these, but... Gold Ship! It's Gold Ship week! My own Top Gun did that just to show up twice. Alright, we'll do one more. Just to do it. For nature. Now, technically speaking, I could pity her. Another long shot? Really? 3 golds, but no rainbow. Oh! Ah! Okay, man, Top Gun, what are you trying to tell me here? Okay, I'll take that. I saw the hair. I had a feeling. Legit Ryan. All right. Well, you know what they say. Pick them up, put them down. Don't get down on the ground. You got to do a third summon to make it go round and round. Third time's the charm, right? I shouldn't be doing this. I don't. Long shot again? Okay. So many golds. Can I get 1 rainbow? My goodness. It changes like I'm supposed to be excited for that or something. It was Gold Ship. I mean, I ain't mad. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Ain't nothing wrong with that. If the user stays toward the very back during the first half of the race without being rushed, unleash a fighting spirit to increase acceleration on the final straight. I mean, yeah. Ain't nothing wrong with that. It's not natty, but ain't nothing wrong with that. All right, well, there you go. That is the video. Agnes Tachyon, leave us with something to say goodbye. It must be.